We are in which question, dear? Can you tell me the page number today, which one we have to start?
Ma'am, page 48. We didn't finish that question.
Okay, fine, fine. Okay, fine. So interest on drawing we finished. Like the questions interest on drawing we have finished.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine, fine. So now we will be
We
seeing.
had to
Huh.
do the appropriation account now.
Okay, dear, fine. So PL appropriation account, debit, credit, particulars amount. First we have to write the net profit if it is in the question. So it is given 3,06,000, and as I said you, interest on loan which the business needs to pay on Bhola's loan, it is a charge against profit. That is the reason first you have to subtract from the net profit, because it has not been subtracted. Then whatever comes, that is the net profit, you have to write in PL appropriation account credit side, that is 3 lakh. Then by interest on drawing, it is income for the business. So this income you have to show in the credit side of PL appropriation account. Molly 1800, Molly will pay 1800 interest on drawing to the business. Bhola will pay 3300, Raj will pay 2400. So here in this question they are not asking to prepare partners capital. Oh, they are asking, na? Yeah, they are asking. So just you can understand, when you are crediting PL appropriation account by interest on drawing, you are crediting the partner's capital account. You are writing in the credit side of PL appropriation account, partner's capital account. Molly, Bhola, Raj means Molly's capital account, Bhola's capital account, Raj capital account. It's capital or current. Again I have to read the question. Prepare PL appropriation account and partners current account. Okay, it's current account only. Okay, capital are fixed in the question. Capital are given fixed. Their fixed capital only they gave, na, Molly, Bhola and Raj. That is the reason you are going to prepare partners current account. Fine. So whenever you are writing by interest on drawing, you have to write Molly's current account, Bhola's current account, Raj current account. I have not written, but you kindly write it down. Molly's current, Bhola's current, Raj current account instead of capital account. Because you are going to prepare current account. Why? Because capitals are fixed. If it is the case of fluctuating, then only one capital account we will prepare. Just simply partners capital account. Since capitals of the partners are fixed, that's the reason we are writing current. Now, how much the available profit is there with the firm? You have to do the total. How much the available profit is there? You just do it. 3 lakh plus 7,500. Do it and write it down. What it comes, see. It will come 3,07,500. If you add 3 lakh plus 7,500, it will come 3,07,500. You write it down. You complete the question. Now, what you have to do, what you are going to write in the debit side, in PL appropriation account, we always write the expenses that needs to be paid to the partner by the business. So, to interest on capital, partner is going to get interest on their capital. Molly will get 25,000 interest on capital, Bhola 40,000, Raj 20,000. Their fixed capital 5 lakh, then how much? 8 lakh, then 4 lakh, and 1st April it is given. And what is the rate of interest? Interest on capital, how much? It is given in the deed, 5%. So how you will calculate? 5 lakh multiplied by 5%. 4 lakh multiplied by 4 lakh of Raj multiplied by 5%, and Bhola 8 lakh multiplied by 5%. In this way, when you do the calculation, and you have to show everything, working notes, write it down clearly. Working notes, calculation of interest on capital, then in this way you have to do. Molly equals to whatever capital multiplied by the rate. In the same way, Bhola capital multiplied by the rate, and solve it and write. Working note is compulsory in account. Separately, you have to present it very nicely. After that only you will transfer that amount in PL appropriation account. Then Molly is getting salary also. In question they are saying Molly was allowed annual salary of 4,000. Annual salary, no need to multiply by 12. Directly you can write 4,000. Molly is getting annual salary. Now Bhola's commission, what they are talking about Bhola's commission, what they said about this. Bhola was allowed a commission of 10% of net profit as shown by PL account. So now you are not going to calculate on 3,06,000. Okay, you should not calculate on 3,06,000 because actually this interest on loan, it is an expense charge against profit which in PL account debit side we should show. After that whatever profit come, that is only net profit, but they didn't charge and they didn't show, they did the mistake. Now we rectified and we are showing the net profit 3 lakh. So actually the net profit is 3 lakh. So on 3 lakh only Bhola will get commission, not on 3,06,000. Why? 3,06,000 is not net profit. Net profit means what? After subtracting all the expenses which are charged against profit, and this interest on loan is charged against profit. So you have to subtract that. Then whatever amount come, that only you have to take as net profit. Understood or having any doubts, Swarnika, Pavitra?
Understood.
Yeah, that's the reason we are doing. Try to understand the logic, dear. So that is the reason we are doing in this way. So whenever they are asking to calculate, like in this question, any other question, if they are asking you to calculate commission on net profit, and suppose they didn't charge, they may not charge managers commission also sometime. If you find some question, they may not charge, they will just give the net profit saying that before charging managers commission. You have to calculate manager's commission, you have to subtract from that profit, then that is the net profit which you will show in the credit side of PL appropriation account. You may get questions like that. So the concept should be clear. Whatever the expenses like salary to employees, if they didn't charge, you have to show. Interest on bank loan, all these, rent to landlord, all these are charged against profit. If they give one adjustment, first calculate that, then subtract from the net profit given in your question. After that, write in the outer column of this PL appropriation account. That is the reason we are calculating 10% on 3 lakh, Bhola's commission. After that, what you are going to do? Then the divisible profit comes. You do it clearly. You just calculate, do all the calculations. So, to profit transferred to Molly's current account, Bhola's current account, Raj current account. You write it clearly. So you have to write Molly's current account, Bhola's current account, Raj current account. Whenever you are writing name of the partners, whether debit or credit side in PL appropriation account, write current account. Don't simply leave it like I just left. So you have to write Molly's current account, Bhola's current account, Raj current account. Even in the credit side by interest on loan, you have to write. So write it properly. Now in the notes, write it properly. Now whatever the divisible profit is there, see how much, Pavitra, Swarnika, divisible profit is coming, how much? Anyone tell me? You have to do the calculations and tell me how much the divisible profit is coming. Yes? Yes, Pavitra, you did?
I'm doing the calculation.
Okay, fine. Do it. Do it and tell me how much it's coming.
Ma'am, I'm getting 1,88,500.
Okay, 1,88,500 you are getting. So that profit you have to distribute among the three partners. Who are those? Molly, Bhola and Raj. In what ratio? Ratio is given in our question. Check the question. Yes, 3:3:4 ratio is given. So you have to distribute that. So when you will distribute it in the given ratio, you will find that Molly's current account, Molly will get divisible profit 56,550. You can check it whether you are getting or not. Then Bhola current account, he will also get 56,550. If we are talking about Raj, he will get divisible profit 75,400. So 75,400 Raj will get. Bhola will get how much? 56,550. Molly's current account, Molly will also get 56,550. These are the divisible profit they will be getting. Now, one guarantee was also there in our question. What is that? And Raj was guaranteed. Raj was guaranteed means Raj is a partner. Business is giving guarantee. When you read the question, it should be very clear. So, Raj was guaranteed means business gave this guarantee to Raj. A profit of rupees 1,50,000. So, business gave, or you can say promises Raj that Raj, you are going to get minimum 1,50,000 profit this year. After making all adjustment as provided in partnership agreement means all the expenses, whatever the business needs to pay to the partner as per the partnership deed, after paying all those expenses, he will definitely get. So they are talking about divisible profit only. But actually when you do the calculation, what you are finding, Raj is not getting that much. His divisible profit comes only 75,400. So deficiency arises. Business promises Raj to pay 1,50,000. Raj is getting only 75,400. How much is the deficiency? How you will calculate the deficiency? 1,50,000 minus 75,400, which Raj is actually getting. But how much he should get? He should get 1,50,000 means how much deficiency? 74,600. Raj is getting less. When Raj is getting less amount, 74,600, it means what? This deficiency, who should bear? This deficiency should be borne by the remaining partners. So there are three partners, Molly, Bhola, Raj. Raj is suffering from deficiency. Obviously, Molly and Bhola will bear the deficiency. Now, is any deficiency ratio given in our question? I think no such ratios are given. So what I taught you, if there is no deficiency ratio given in our question, very easy. First write the three ratios, 3:3:4. Who is suffering the deficiency? Raj. Raj means the last, 3:3:4, this 4. This is Raj. He is suffering the deficiency. Just hide him. So 3:3. Molly and Bhola, they will share this deficiency equally. 3:3 means 3. It will cut 1. So 1:1 you can say. You can simplify the ratio. Are you understanding? Pavitra, Swarnika, are you understanding dear how 1:1 or equal ratio I am telling?
Can you explain it once?
Yeah. See, actually, how much is the deficiency coming? Deficiency is coming 74,600. Now, Raj needs to get more, 74,600 from the business. Now, this deficiency, who is going to bear? The remaining partners. Except Raj in business, who are the remaining partners? Molly and Bhola. These two are the remaining partners. Now they should bear these deficiency. How they will bear this deficiency? They have to share from their profit. How much Molly will give to Raj? How much Bhola will give to Raj, so that Raj's profit becomes 1,50,000. That is only deficiency. So, if you see the profit sharing ratio given in our question, it is 3:3:4. This is the ratio given. Now, in this ratio, who is going to suffer the deficiency? Raj. So what is Raj's ratio? 4. The last one is Raj. 3 is to 3 is to 4 means 3 by 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10. So 3 by 10 Moli, 3 by 10 Bhola, 4 by 10 Raj. This is their profit loss sharing ratio. Just hide Raj. So what will be the remaining ratio? 3 is to 3. That is how much? 3 is to 3 means 3 by 6, or you can say 3 by 6. Okay, are you understanding? So 3 by 6, 3 by 6, when you do the cuttings, it comes 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Now it's clear, Swarnika?
Yes, sir.
Now very easy. Now means half. Total deficiency is how much? 74,600. So 74,600 multiplied by 1 by 2. Who will bear this deficiency? This deficiency will be beared by Bhola. In the same way, again 74,600 multiplied by half. This deficiency will be borne by Moli. So Moli, Bhola, they will bear 74,600, 1:1 ratio. So if you see 37,300, Moli will give out of his profit to Raj. So actually Moli is getting divisible profit 56,550. But now he needs to bear the deficiency of Raj. So 37,300, this is the deficiency which will be beared by Moli. So you have to subtract 37,300 from Moli's divisible profit. Now finally how much Moli is going to get? He is going to get 19,250, which you can write in the outer column. In the same way Bhola actually he should get 56,550 as his share of divisible profit. Since he bears the deficiency of Raj, so how much the deficiency he will bear? 37,300. So again from his profit you have to subtract 37,300. Now Bhola will get 19,250. And what about Raj? Raj already got divisible profit 75,400 from business. Now his deficiency he will get 74,600 because this will be paid by Moli and Bhola in their deficiency ratio. And finally he is getting 1,50,000. Yes, Varnika, Pavitra, any doubt so far, dear?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Yes?
No, ma'am.
Okay, dear. Pavitra, are you writing, dear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, dear. Now we are going to prepare partner's current account. So today we are finishing this chapter, and after this chapter we have to start goodwill, right? Goodwill means there we will be learning what? That profit sharing ratio little bit. That profit change in PSR I will teach you when I will teach you admission. Lot of questions we will be doing where your concept will get cleared. But in goodwill we are going to learn what is the various methods to calculate goodwill. Okay. So goodwill PDF I have not sent, right?
Not yet, ma'am.
Yeah. So what we will be doing, we will finish this chapter and then end the class today. Actually I forgot to send. That is true, I just forgot. I didn't I didn't see. Today we are going to finish. I thought one more class it will take. So after doing partners current account, you can just you have something to study, you can do, you can just leave the class. In the next class, that is today is Wednesday, Friday we will start goodwill, so that I will send you the PDF and everything. Is it okay for you, Pavitra, Swarnika?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am. Fine.
Okay, dear. So now partners current account we will see. Actually I am doing the shifting work. I have to shift our house. That is why I was busy in doing this packing and all. So like next week, this week I will take the class, I think. I don't know if next week I'm not able to take the class, one class or what, I will inform you. uh, After you see the message you can just come to know. So I don't know whether next week we will be doing the shifting or not. That's why I forgot. Okay, shifting, I have to shift my house from one place to another. That's the reason. This coming Friday I will take the class. Coming Friday there is class. But about the Monday, again next Wednesday I will take your class. But next Monday I have a doubt. If I am busy in this shifting work, I will send you the message. Okay.
Okay, ma'am, no problem.
Yeah, I should inform you, dear. That's the reason I'm telling you. Okay, fine. Now, partner's current account. Okay. So, partner's current account. Sometime what happens in your question, that current account balances will be given. If current account balances are given in your question, then you have to write by balance BD and you have to write in the credit side of partner's current account. If current account balances are not given, you can just leave it. But remember one thing, that fixed capital balances you cannot write in partner's current account. Don't do that mistake, because when we will be doing this, like when the capitals are fixed, you know, for fixed capital we prepare two partners capital account. One is current and one is partners capital. In that only you have to write. But they are not asking you to prepare partners capital account. They are asking you to prepare only current account. In current account, that fixed balance will never come. If current account balances are given, you can write it down. Here in this question, only fixed capital balances are given. So, you cannot carry that here. Now, directly by seeing the PL appropriation account, you can write everything. Like interest on capital. It is shown in the debit side of PL appropriation account, since it is expense for the business, but it is income for the partner. So, any income for the partner, you have to write in the credit side of the partner's current account or capital. So, here you are going to write by interest on capital. How much? Molly got 25,000, Bhola got 40,000, Raj got 20,000. In the same way, salary, Molly got salary from the business, 1 year salary, 4,000. That is also income for Molly. It will increase Molly's capital. That is the reason you have to show in the credit side of partner's current account. By salary 4,000 in Molly's amount column you have to write. Then what about commission? Who is getting commission among these three? Bhola. Bhola is getting commission. So again for Bhola it is income. He is receiving commission from the business. It is income for him. Any income for any partner, you have to credit their capital account. So here in the credit side of partner's current account, you will write by commission. In Bhola's amount column, you have to write 30,000. And like Molly and Raj, they are not getting any commission. You can put a blank in their amount column. Now the divisible profit. So you have to write in the credit side. Again, divisible profit will increase capital of the partners. You have to write in the credit side. By PL appropriation account. And these divisible profit from where you are getting? You are getting from PL appropriation account only you are getting. So now what you are going to do? You are going to write on the credit side. By PL appropriation account. Molly will get 19,250. Bhola will get 19,250. Raj, he will get 1,50,000 as divisible profit. Promised by the business or guaranteed by the business. Both are same. Promise, guarantee, everything is same. Now come to the debit side of partner's current account. If drawings are given, it will reduce partner's capital. Drawing is given in our question. So two drawings you have to write. Molly 40,000, Bhola 60,000, Raj 80,000. Total amount of drawing during the year you are writing here. It will decrease their capital. Now interest on drawing, it will also decrease partners capital account, because they are going to make the payment, that is interest on drawing, to the business from where? From this capital only they will make the payment. It will decrease their capital and they will make drawing from their capital. That is why we are writing in the debit side. Drawing, interest on drawing, any loss if happens in the business, Mainly these three things reduces capital of the partners. That is the reason we write in the debit side of partners current account. Be clear with the concept and write as important note whatever I am saying. Kindly write it down. It's only for your benefit. Now, two drawings, I said. To interest on drawing 1800 in Moli's amount column, Bhola's amount column 3300, Raj amount column 2400. Then two balance carried down. Now you are going to do the balancing part. So, if you see Moli's credit side, it comes 4800 and sorry, actually it comes how much? 48,250. So I didn't wrote that 2, I wrote only 50, which is a mistake. You just rectify it. It is 48,250. So because 25,000 plus 4,000 plus 19,250, if you add all these together, you will get 48,250. It's a mistake. So please rectify that mistake. Now you have to subtract the debit side if any amount. Yes, Moli's drawing 40,000, Moli's interest on drawing 1800. You have to subtract from 48,250. When you do this, you will get balance carried down for Moli 6,450. Any doubt so far? Pavitra, Swarnika, are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am, got it.
Okay, fine dear. In the same way, Bhola. Now we are going to see Bhola. So Bhola's credit side, current account credit side, 40,000 plus 30,000 plus 19,250. When you add all these together, you will get 89,250. You can write both the side, debit side, credit side, 89,250. And you have to close by putting double underline. Always you have to close the account by putting double underline. Now come to the debit side. If you see debit side of Bhola's current account, 60,000 plus how much? 3,300. So 63,300. You have to subtract from 89,250. Now what is the available balance, current capital balance of Bhola? 25,950. In the same way you have to do for Raj. Do the credit side total 20,000 plus 1,50,000. It comes 1,70,000. Write both the sides 1,70,000, 1,70,000. Double underline. Then if you see the Raj debit side 80,000 plus 80,000 plus 2,400. So you have to add these two and you have to subtract from 1,70,000. Then you will get the balance carried down of Raj. That is part Raj's current account balance. You will get 87,600. I hope till here it's clear. You have any doubt in this particular chapter, dear? This fundamental, partnership fundamental, like past adjustment or any topic, any question, anywhere you are struggling? Yes, Varnika, Pavitra, anything not able to understand? Any doubts?
No, ma'am, it's clear.
Okay, fine. What about Swarnika, dear? It's clear to you? Swarnika, can you hear me, dear? Yes? Okay, fine. So today finally we finished our chapter. Today is Wednesday. Friday definitely you all will have your class. Attend the class. We will be starting our goodwill chapter. Today itself I will send you the PDF notes and everything. Regarding Monday, I don't know if shifting is going on, then Monday I may not be able to take the class. Wednesday we will do. If shifting is delayed, then definitely I will take your class. Okay, I will send you the message if I am not taking the class. Okay.
Okay, ma'am, sure.
Yeah. Thank you, dear. That's all for today since I didn't send that PDF. So we have to end the class today. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, no problem.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Thank you, dear. Bye. Thank you, dear. Bye.